Oh, hi guys. How are you? Just kidding. I wasn't really getting sucked up into the fan. Just joking. All right, I want to talk to you guys about bathroom ventilation. And it's super important to ventilate a shower, get the steam and moisture, humidity out of the bathroom from mold. It's also important to duct it properly outside, not into an attic, not into a crawl space. The best duct to use is 4-inch solid, smooth aluminum, not the flex, not the plastic stuff. And there's reasons for it. You get better airflow when you keep a long straight run. You don't get drooping. For efficiency, you want to install the straightest, smoothest duct possible. Also, joints and seams should be installed up so that they don't leak with condensation or moisture. And you want to seal all your duct seams in joints with aluminum foil type tape that's designed for this. Termination of the duct should be to the exterior of the building with a proper hood and roof cap with a back draft damper. And especially in cold climates or going up into an attic, like here in New England, we always go through the attics a lot of times. In cold climates, you have to insulate the duct in unheated spaces. And we do that with sleeve insulation, not just drooping or draping fiberglass insulation over it. You have to put a sleeve around it and protect it as much as possible. Then you can do whatever you want after that. But remember, uninsulated cold spaces, they will condensate, they could drip and stain a ceiling. You don't want that. So vent your fan properly. I hope this helps. Have a great week, guys.